Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use lower thirds templates in Premiere Pro. We will begin by understanding their fundamental role in enhancing your video content. Then, I will guide you through the simple process of importing these templates into your project. You will also discover the essential tools available for customizing text and adjusting their overall appearance, ensuring a professional look for your videos. This guide will help you elevate your editing skills. Now, let's dive into customizing your lower thirds to truly make them your own. You can easily modify the text, choose from hundreds of fonts, adjust the size, and select colors that perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic. Furthermore, you will learn to precisely adjust their position, scale, and rotation for optimal on-screen placement. Exploring various animation options will also help enhance visual engagement and create a smooth, professional flow. Effective timing and placement are crucial for professional lower thirds. You will learn to synchronize their appearance perfectly with spoken dialogue or important visual cues in your video. It is also vital to ensure proper screen-safe margins, preventing any cropping on various display sizes. We will explore using keyframes, which offer precise control over the entry and exit animations, making your lower thirds appear and disappear smoothly and intentionally. Finally, let's discuss exporting and some best practices to ensure your project shines. Always render your sequence to preview the final look and feel of your lower thirds before exporting. We will also review common mistakes to avoid, ensuring a polished and professional result every time. By applying these techniques, you will significantly elevate your video's overall production quality, leaving a lasting positive impression on your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.